Hey, what up guys, this is Ryan with PC Battlestations, and today we're going to talk about a budget mic called Fifine. It's pronounced Fine, even though it is spelled F-I-F-I-N-E. And this budget mic is going to be used for, the people that are streaming, gaming, use it for music, voiceovers, whatever. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the specs, run some audio tests, and compare it to my HyperX Quadcast, which is a little higher quality, and just see how it compares. So let's do this. This video is sponsored by Omen again, and some of you have probably seen my setup in their social media in their emails. They're offering you a chance to win $20,000 for your dream PC build and setup. And I know $20,000 is a lot of money. This ensures that you get everything you want in your PC build. And that also includes the taxes and the shipping. Every donation supports a great cause, Gamers Outreach, who work in the gaming community, to provide children recreation in hospitals. And all you gotta do to enter is go to amaze.com/PCBattleStations. And then also I'll have a link down in the description. You can also click on that link and go there too for your chance to win that $20,000 dream PC build. So good luck. All right, let's open this box on the Fifine K780A box and let's see what's inside, and let's go take a look at the specs. Now that we got it out of the box and we put it together, it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's take a look at the mic. And this K780A mic is a condenser mic, and it only comes in the cardioid polar pattern, which is basically kind of like a heart shape. And so it picks up everything that's kind of in front of it and off to the sides and not in the back, so it blocks out all those ambient noises. And this, basically, they recommend about 5.9 inches to 7.9 inches away from the mic, and you can talk to it at about a 30 or 45 degree angle for it to pick up. So this would be too close, and then this would be too far away, obviously. So the frequency response on this mic is 20 hertz all the way up to 20 kilohertz. And what the response is it's a range of frequencies from low to high on what the mic will pick up. So the 20 hertz being the low bass, and then the 20 kilohertz would be the high, would be the treble. What I like about this mic is that it's powered by the USB 2.0 connector, and so you don't need an external power source or anything. And then also you can plug it in, it's plug and play, so no drivers required, and you can plug it into a Mac, PC, Chromebook, even a PS4. Thing to note though is that it doesn't work with a Nintendo Switch or Xbox. And this USB 2.0 cable is approximately 8.2 feet long, and if you have a USB-C, you'll need an adapter because this is a USB-A type. One thing to note on this mic is that there's no gain knob or volume, there's no mute, and there's no power indicator on here to show that it's actually powered on. So if you want to adjust any of those settings, like the gain, the volume, you have to go use the control panel on your computer or this actual recording software that you're using. The desk clamp supports desks up to 2 inches thick, and then the arm extends all the way up to 2 feet, and it's 360 degree rotation. And the provided pop filter is a dual layered pop filter, and what this does, it eliminates kind of the popping sounds that we make with the P's and the B's and the T's. So let's go do some audio tests on this mic compared to the HyperX Quadcast that I have, and take a look at the pop filter and how well it performs. So let's take a look. All right, so now this is me using the Fifine K780A mic without the pop filter. We're gonna just say some popular phrases. The potato phone takes pungent pictures of petunias. The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. Businessman Bill bobbed and weaved while battling a belligerent baboon. Ticklish Tommy teased a T-Rex for trying to tune a trombone with his tiny arms? Who writes these? Oh yeah, that's right, I did. Probably need to put more coffee in my Bailey's drink. Now let's try these popular phrases with a pop filter on. The potato phone takes pungent pictures of petunias. The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. Businessman Bill bobbed and weaved while battling a belligerent baboon. Ticklish Tommy teased a T-Rex for trying to tune a trombone with his tiny arms. All right, now let's try with my HyperX Quadcast, which has a built-in pop filter. The potato phone takes pungent pictures of petunias. The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. Businessman Bill bobbed and weaved while battling a belligerent baboon. Ticklish Tommy teased a T-Rex for trying to tune a trombone with his tiny arms. So hopefully these audio samples will provide some sort of feedback on how good that Fifine K780A is compared to this HyperX Quadcast. So I had a chance to listen to these audio samples from the Fifine K780 mic with and without the pop filter, and also the HyperX Quadcast, and it's actually not that bad for a budget mic. You know, on their website it's $65.99 currently, and the HyperX Quadcast is what, $140 on Amazon? So not bad for a budget mic, actually sounding pretty decent. So if you want to stream, game, you want to use it for music, any kind of voiceovers, kind of what I'm doing right now, it actually sounds pretty decent. So if you want to save some money, get a budget mic like the Fifine K780A, you know, it's not too bad. I don't think you can go too wrong. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you learned a little something about the Fifine K780A mic, and it's got great reviews on Amazon, and it's a pretty decent budget gaming mic. So take a look. Also, don't forget to go to amaze.com/PC Battlestations for your chance to win the $20,000 Dream PC build, and it supports a great cause, Gamers Outreach, so go there, donate, and good luck. See you guys in the next video.